This is the Insignia 8-inch Windows tablet I purchased from Best Buy refurbished for $59.99 plus shipping, so it's like $67. This is the 32 gig version. There's plenty of reviews, so I'm not going to do that. I'm only going to complain two things. A is the keyboard. It's not very sensitive, and two is the sound. And the easiest way to show you all this is just to open Internet Chrome. Okay, so for example, let's say I want to search for a video. I type in, I click on the box. As you can see, the keyboard will self-disappear. Do a couple times. Okay, that shows the keyboard problem. The second one is the sound. The sound is really weak. So that's the two main things, the responsiveness of the keyboard and also the audio, the volume of the speakers. With the keyboard, I did try to attach a wireless keyboard and mouse to this USB hub that I already had a video on. It works perfectly fine with that external keyboard, and with the audio, I have a Bluetooth speaker which works perfectly fine with it. I have a cheap $1 Dollar Tree store speaker which is worked perfectly fine. So for $59.99, I thought it was a steal. So what I'm going to do now is actually run Passmark benchmark on battery and one more additional time with power, external power, to see if there is any performance difference. Here we're going to run the Passmark benchmark on battery, and then run the exact same test again while connected to external power to see if there's any performance degradation. This don't look good. It's only what, 10.29 frames per second. I guess I will be playing CSGO competitive on this machine. That is, unless I want to rank down all the way to Silver 1 again. On this screen, it's doing what? 1.11 frames per second. 1.98 frames per second. Maybe I can play the original Master of Orion here. Now it's doing the disk test. I expect this to be faster since all tablets are running on flash memory. It should be a lot faster than hard drives. While this is going on, let me look through the specs. It says 0.9 pounds, 8-inch diagonal, 16 by 10, 1280 by 800, 149 pixels PPI. I guess it's not HD. Intel Atom CPU, the Z3735F. I think it has yeah, about 1,000 Passmark. I should see it. It uses 10 watts of power. Has 1 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabyte of internal memory, which is better than the 16. But when even without loading any program, I only got about 20 gigabytes. So don't plan to actually install any games on it. Micro SD slot checked. Camera front and back checked. Maximum video capture resolution 720p check. Operation system 8.1 check. In fact, it's waiting for me to restart to install updates. Micro USB check. It has wireless, obviously. Bluetooth 4.0. Didn't say anything about wireless display. I can try that later. Probably not. So the test is over. The total score is 472.9, as you can see. I'm not going to upload this to embarrass myself. Click OK. Well, click OK. Alright. So that's the main score. CPU is about 965, just as the Passmark website states. 2D speed is about 135. I don't care about that. Really care about the 3D speed, which is 128.5. Definitely want to be playing CSGO in here. Memory is slow as well. It's running at 334. Disk is barely faster than any other hard drives. In fact, it's only at 706. Let's see, right now it's running 5 FPS per second. Okay, the test is over. Its score is now 477, so virtually no change. Fat fingers. Not too responsive, that's the screen. Okay, so 477. CPU mark is now over to 1006, a little bit of improvement there. 2D is at 132. 3D is at 131, a little bit improvement, still no CS competitive for me. Memory is at 399, no improvement there. And no improvement on the disk at 655. So basically, according to the benchmark, you should only use it for basic web browsing.